Hey everyone, what's up and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I thought I would speak a little bit about branding as a content creator because I feel like this is a really difficult subject that a lot of us eventually get onto as aspiring content creators. It is something that we have to consider is our own brand and how that looks. But funnily enough, I find that it's something that a lot of creators actually skip over, especially in the beginning. And I do think it's a bit of a mistake in that sense because if people can see and an audience can see that you've got really good branding, they can essentially see who you are as a creator and kind of like what to expect almost with your content. It's a very underrated, powerful tool that's kind of underutilized by a lot of creators out there. So as I said in today's video, I really wanted to focus on this and really go through how you can create your own branding in just a few short hours. I'd also just like to interject here before we get into the video today that yes, my dog is here. I'm aware of that and she kind of looks a bit lifeless on camera at the moment. Unfortunately, I had decided to film here, but I really couldn't move her out of this spot. So she's staying basically for this video. But for those of you who are new here, hi, my name is Kaylee and I'm a beauty and fashion photographer based near Sydney, Australia, but I'm also a content creator and I started this channel a few years ago to talk about all things business, social media, freelancing and content creation. Now, I think we can all agree as beginner content creators, it is really difficult to invest a lot of money into what we're doing and into our businesses. So I've always been all for anything that is affordable or really easy to invest in for your business at this stage. I think, like I said, it's very hard to kind of have that capital or the money to actually invest into different tools or to different professionals to really start helping you with your branding journey. But luckily, there are a few really amazing tools out there that you can utilize and that are affordable and that don't take much time or money to invest in, but also are just going to be super powerful for you actually getting your branding on track and really designing your own aesthetics. So I'm really happy to say that today's video is actually sponsored by Picsart, and Picsart is what I'm going to be using in this video to show you how you can easily create your own branding in just a few short hours. Picsart is an all-in-one online design platform which has essentially been created to assist you in making branding easy. Now you can design basically anything through Picsart, so whether it's personal things that you need to design like invitations or party stationery, or like we're going to be talking about in this video, anything business related, so for your marketing or your branding. Now this can include an overhaul of your YouTube graphics and design elements. It can be for invoicing or a media kit, or it can even be for really simple elements of business branding such as a logo or choosing color schemes. The choice is yours with what you create through Picsart, but I want to talk about a little bit more in this video today how you can utilize the platform to really start creating your own branding, your own aesthetics as a content creator, and ensure that this isn't going to be a really long and arduous process, because I know for me, I'm not technically a designer, I'm not a graphic designer, so I feel that I need that little bit of help along the way. And tools like Picsart really do assist you with this because they have plenty of templates to choose from, which can make your branding so much easier and quicker. So if you're interested in checking out Picsart for yourself, make sure to click the link in the description box below and go check it out, go have a try and let me know what you think in the comments below. Picsart have also been kind enough to offer my viewers a discount, so make sure to use the code KayleePro for a 10% discount off a yearly subscription for Picsart Pro. But for now, we're going to get straight into how you can start creating your own branding as a content creator and really do this in a way that is saving you time and really giving you the aesthetics that you want. Let's get into it. Okay, so we're on the Picsart interface now, and I'm going to show you how you can easily create a brand kit for your content creation brand or whatever niche you're in. I'm just going to scroll down here to Picsart's 2025 launch pack, and this is where they've got like kind of everything you need as a content creator for branding and for basically just creating content in general. So you'll see here that there is a listed element called brand kit, so we're just going to click on that and we're going to select new brand kit, and I'm going to just say travel content creator. So this is just going to be used as a bit of a example today, I guess, for this brand kit. And I'm going to show you kind of some travel content creation related things within the brand kit that you could potentially do. But again, this tutorial is basically for anyone doing content creation and whatever niche you're in. So let's go create. And this is essentially what I just put in there is where you would name your brand. So if you do have a specific name that you use or handle, you can put that there. So you'll see here that under this brand kit, we have the option to upload logos, which I will get to in just a second. We have the option to insert colors. So this can kind of give you a really good color palette or scheme to use across your content creation online. You can upload fonts, so specific fonts that you feel are really good for your own work and just fonts that you like to use. I think it's it's always good to choose a few that you really do like. Then we've got graphics down the bottom here and templates. So graphics can be basically just anything that you might be able to use as an element in your business. If you're running a business where you might have a bit more of like a brick and mortar feel where you're selling products, then you can use assets and things like that here, and along with templates. So if you go into templates, you can actually choose templates or design your own for, again, anything content creation wise. So if you're a YouTuber and you need to do new YouTube thumbnails, or you need to do a YouTube end screen, rebrand your YouTube altogether. If you have a website banner that needs redoing, or website in general where you need templates for that, everything can be kind of organized in here. So this is kind of like a one-stop shop for your brand, and it's always good to have one of these brand kits because, like I said, everything's in one place, easily accessible, and every time you need to jump in and design something, everything's here. So let's first set some brand colors, because I think this is always just a really easy place to start when you're looking at doing branding for yourself. I think setting a color palette or scheme is a really, really good starting point. It kind of gives you something to, I guess, lift off with everything else around it. I think it's really important to choose colors that you like and that are really cohesive and represent your brand well. So I'm actually just going to choose some neutrals, some kind of like neutral brown colors and kind of earthy sort of tones, because I really enjoy those kinds of colors. And of course, if you already have specific colors that you want to enter in there, you can absolutely do that. I might just change this to be a little bit more muted. And let's go a darker color this time. And we'll go for like a creamy kind of color as well. Okay, so we're just going to start with those kind of earthy tones as a color scheme, but of course you can pick whatever color scheme or palette that you want for your brand kit. It's just a really good starting point, as I mentioned. Now, with your fonts, you can add in fonts that you particularly enjoy. So I have downloaded many fonts over the years, and there's so many places online that you can download fonts. Font is one that I would highly recommend. I've been downloading fonts there like for years. That's a really popular one. And once you've actually downloaded the file, you can then go and upload these fonts to your brand kit. So just as an example, if I bring up font, you'll see here that there's literally thousands upon thousands upon thousands that you can use. I like to have like maybe one sort of calligraphy style one, or kind of handwritten sort of style one, a little bit fancier. And then I like to have a few like really basic sans serif / serif kind of fonts that you can use in basically everything. And they just end up being a basic font, but something that will stand out really well when you need that. So let's go sans serif. That's going to give you a little bit more of a blocky kind of effect with the font. So for example, Bebas, I've talked about this font before in some of my videos. It's a really popular font. I'm pretty sure I've downloaded this before, but let's go ahead and download this one. And I'm just going to put it into my downloads. Navigate back to here. We can easily just click this and upload, and then you can just upload the font. So that's really easy to do. Again, lots of different sites that you can download fonts from, and it's all going to depend on the style that you want to use for your own brand. Now, as I said, graphics can be kind of like anything. It even says here from photo shoots to sales stickers. So for example, if you want to have some photos of yourself, if you've got professional photos of yourself that you want to use as avatars or icons, basically profile pictures around the web, it's really good to upload those kinds of photos here so you can easily access them whenever you need to kind of redo that part of your branding and easily upload them, because it's quite often very common that you will need some sort of professional photos of yourself. I don't know how many times I've been asked for like a professional photo or a really clear photo of myself, and I haven't had them accessible. So again, this is a really good place to put these. I'm actually just going to go through and get a couple of photos here. So let's go this one, because I feel like this really suits me as a content creator. It's got me holding a camera and my phone at the same time. It's very like easily used as a profile picture, especially for this particular brand. However, of course, I am doing a bit more of a travel content related thing here. So there's other ones that I've got in here that I can even probably use for that. Okay, so at the moment I can't really find any in particular, but I am going to upload this one because It could be used for travel content creation, banners and things like that, and could even be kind of a cute profile picture if I didn't want to show my face necessarily. So there we go. We've got a couple of graphics or images that we can use and access really, really easily there. Now moving on to templates. So let's go to create brand templates. And so obviously here you can see there's lots of different templates that I've already been working on. Here I have a YouTube banner, so I'm going to upload that one. And again, that's going to be really easy to put on any banners, websites, email lists, anything that I really want to use that for, I can easily access there. And again, you can create pretty much anything here to add to this section. And then lastly, up the top, if we go to upload your logos, we can actually go to here at Picsart. And if you haven't already created a logo, you can easily do so with Picsart. I've created logos through here before on my channel. So just opening up here a logo that I've actually created in Picsart in another video that I've posted to my channel before. And this was actually an AI generated logo, which I really loved. I think it looks great. I did it as kind of an example for a photography logo. So let's maybe go ahead and do one for a travel content creator. Let's go to Picsart homepage and we'll go to design logos. And let's say Kaylee June, and then we'll just say travel photographer and content creator. And in terms of tones, maybe we can go for maybe those same brown sort of neutral colors that I chose before for the color scheme. And in terms of a logo that I really like, maybe something abstract like this. This is kind of cute. And then you can describe your ideal logo. I don't know, maybe a mountain, include a mountain and a camera maybe. And then we'll click generate. Oh my God, this is really cute. Okay, so we've got a couple of different options here. So you can see over here, we've got the cameras with the mountains, which is really clever. They've kind of made it like a little sun in the middle as the lens. And it just shows you kind of an example of how that looks on Etsy and other sites. Love that. And then this one here, also really cute. I kind of like that that's kind of just above the camera. It's still really simple. And again, that's kind of how that looks. You know what? I really like this top one, so I'm going to choose this one. And let's just make sure that takes up the whole document. Really happy with the colors that are chosen too. Still got that kind of neutral feel to it. Only thing I'm actually just going to have to change though is I did include the and symbol instead of typing out and. So if we go back and I'll just say end here and regenerate. And there's a few more here that have been generated now. So let's maybe do, this one here is kind of cute. Or this one here. You know what? I kind of like this one. We'll just go really simple and add this. So we'll just export it first and I'll download it. And then we'll go back to our brand kit here and I'm going to upload the logo so it's super accessible. And everything, as I mentioned, is really accessible now. So I've got my fonts, I've got my logo, I've got my color scheme, I have some graphics and photos of myself that I can easily access here. And then I've also got other templates that I've designed and I can add in, like I mentioned before, whether that's for a YouTube channel rebrand or just your YouTube assets, maybe it's for your website assets, whatever it is, you can just easily reuse designs if you really like the template that you've used and maybe alter things that you might have posted on certain websites to other platforms or social media platforms. So that is basically how you can create your own brand kit with Picsart, and it's a really, really simple process to do this. I would highly recommend for anyone who is a content creator or anyone that is looking at getting into this kind of work or even freelancing if you've got a small business. This stuff's really important to consider. Branding is always going to be a really important part of that, and I highly recommend getting started with a brand kit, even just with these 5 main categories to start putting things into so you've easily got something that is accessible and keep consistent branding across all of your platforms. Well, I hope you really enjoyed this video today, and thank you so much for watching. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel already, make sure you do because I'll be posting a lot more in future. Another quick reminder, if you want to go and check out Picsart for free, make sure to click the link in the description box below, and also make sure to use the discount code if you plan on purchasing a pro subscription. Also, let me know down in the comments section if you already have a brand kit. I would love to hear your thoughts about this and whether you've already kind of got some of these assets going, or whether you're starting a new business or wanting to become a content creator in 2025. Let me know in the comments section. I would love to hear all of your thoughts. Well, thank you so much everyone for watching this video, and if you liked it, please give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel already, make sure you do because I'll be posting a lot more videos like this one. Let me know down in the comments section below if you've started designing your branding as a content creator already, or whether you're going to maybe use Picsart to do this. Let me know all of your thoughts in the comments section below. I would love to hear them. But in the meantime, make sure to hit the notification bell to see all of the updates from my channel in future. Also, a quick reminder to go and check out Picsart. As I mentioned, there is a link in the description box below, and you can follow that link to go and try it out for yourself. And along with this, make sure to use the 10% discount code that Picsart have gifted my followers. The code is going to be somewhere here and in the description box below. And for now, it's goodbye from Suki and I, and we'll see you in the next video. Are you okay there? You're really close to my face right now. What are you doing?